the Naked Smokey, Smokey Naked. I don't know which order those were supposed to be in. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you have never seen my face before, my name is Mallory, and today we're going to do a bratz tutorial. I've been seeing this bratz challenge go all over the internet, like Facebook and Instagram, and I was like, yes, those bratz dolls are always super snatched, so I have to be a part of this challenge. So I'm going to do this bratz doll right here. Ain't she cute? That's why I have this blonde wig on. So if you are unfamiliar with bratz, all the dolls look like that. They're all super cute, super beat all the time. So that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I've already done my face. My eyelids are a lot lighter than the rest of my face because I used a lot lighter concealer because I wanted it to, you saw she had a lot of sparkles on her face, so I want my sparkles to shine a lot. So I'm going to go into my Chasing Rainbows palette and use the color Feeling It first as a transition shade. I really hate that this palette does not have a mirror. Really, this. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my transition shade. It looks like her look is mostly like brownish. I don't know why this color is coming off so red. My brush probably dirty. Okay, so now because she has so much sparkle under her eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and put that color on so I can blend it in. Okay, so for that under eyebrow color, I'm gonna use the color Blurred Lines out of the same palette. I'm just gonna put it right underneath. Hopefully this one looks pretty good. If it doesn't, we just put something else on top of it. So at this point, I'm kind of winging it. I forgot about that underbrow color. So I'm gonna go in with that same brush and just keep it kind of low because I don't want to get rid of that sparkle. I just want to kind of blend these two colors together. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Whiskey from the Urban Decay. The Smokey, the Naked Smokey, Smokey Naked. I don't know which order those were supposed to be in. Smokey Naked. Now I'm gonna bring this kind of low because remember we're gonna cut the crease, but it looks like her cut crease is pretty dark, like where the crease is. So. I'm gonna go back with that fluffy brush and buff some of that out. Alright, so now off to cut my crease. So now that the crease is cut, I'm just gonna use this shade right here, this Out of Luck. It's like a bone color. So now I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and go back in with the color Feeling It and then the color Whiskey right after that. I'm going to be using the same brush. I just really want to like blend it in really quick. Okay. The eyeshadow is on. I'm going to do some eyeliner. Now her eyeliner is pretty thick, so we're going to go for thick too. Oh my gosh, I need to fix my wig. Look at my edges. Oh my gosh. hair I got, and it's just like all in the way. I'll fix it when I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna take my NYX 2-timer eyeliner. It's dual-ended. One side is the kohl pencil, the other side is this marker thing. I'm not good with the marker thing, surprisingly. That's weird. Like, I can do liquid, but the marker thing I just cannot do. Gonna go to my Makeup Revolution, my current fave, and we're gonna use, I think, this pink one right here. Maybe the pink and the bottom one mixed together. Perfect. I make such good decisions. Sometimes. Sometimes. This highlight's so pink, I don't think I'm gonna do a blush. Perfect. Now for this lip color, I'm gonna have to mix some stuff. Hers is extremely dark, and I don't have any lipstick that's that dark. Okay, so first things first, BRATZCHALLENGE. Their lips are very plump. I got them Angelina Jolie lips, so I'm going to overline my lips with a pencil first. Now that these are very voluptuous lips, I'm going to, because I think I want it really dark, I'm going to go in with this NYX. This color is Gold Digger, and it's very dark. It's like a dark purple. And I'm going to go over it with this Ofra Havana Nights liquid lipstick to give it that red. First I'm going to block this on something. I'm very pleased with my decisions today. I don't know, I might overline my lips all the time. I kind of like this. So I know I had this jacket on in the last video. Don't. Come on, let me make it.